Are you proud of how your Model 3 looks? Do you wish you didn't have your front license plate attached when traveling through states that don't require it? Most license plate holders are either permanent or a major pain to unscrew and then reattach. I'm Zach Diktakis. Now let's review Living Tesla's Model 3 SnapPlate. Now let's review. Matthew Bedradis from Living Tesla feels the same way as you do. He was driving around without his front license plate in an unenforced area, but ended up driving somewhere that a police officer pulled him over for it. He wished there was a way for him to easily attach his plate without screws or hassle. So he went home and used a 3D printer to create the SnapPlate. Then everyone he knew wanted one for their Tesla, so he started selling them. Included in the box are the SnapPlate, a Ziploc bag holding 4 chrome and 4 black Torx security screws, and a Torx security driver. The SnapPlate goes for $119 on their website. We've tried other brands like the Bandit and the Law, but based on our experience, the SnapPlate offers the quickest on and off mechanism. And it's non-intrusive, won't get in the way of autopilot cameras, radar, scratch paint, hurt the grille, or the radiator. He even made it safe from theft. The design is brilliant. Not only did Living Tesla make an extremely easy-to-use product, but they uploaded a thorough how-to video. Simply screw your front license plate to the frame on the SnapPlate. The way the SnapPlate attaches to the car is very unique. It uses an interlocking system to hold it to the grille. There is a push and twist to unlock mechanism. Place the plate up to the grille and twist the lock back. No, watch it again. It's that easy. To lock the SnapPlate, insert the screw on the right side of the device while it's attached to the car, and nobody else will be able to remove it. As a smaller operation, the company uses a 3D printer to fabricate their products. With home 3D printing comes print lines. They printed it in a way that gives multiple smooth surfaces, and I was very impressed. Typically, the stock plate is either drilled to the front of the car or stuck to it with 3M tape. The Model 3 has such a beautiful fascia, unless you want the license plate on full time, this is a perfect solution. There are 31 states that require rear and front license plates, and 13 other states border these. If you live in any of those, this could be what you're looking for. So, how well does it hold the plate onto the car? Is there any wobble? Does it start to get loose after a while? Well, we went out and tested it. Here's how it held up on back roads. And here's how it did on the highway.
So, I mean, overall, I really like the SnapPlate. It's very sturdy. You know, it really holds it in place. I'm not worried about my paint or anything. Even if I were to bump it into something, like, it's not going to snap or break any part of my car. It feels very, well built. And then the ability to just be able to snap it off and snap it back on with in a moment's notice is that's a really handy feature. And then you, of course, have the security screw if you want it a little bit more secure, if you're worried about someone stealing it, for instance. But it's not all that intuitive to figure out how to steal in the first place. I mean, you really have to, if you were like, oh, I've somehow noticed your front plate holder and I want to steal it, it's not that obvious to figure out how to get it off. I love the aesthetic of the front of the Model 3, and I think that even this beautiful plate is, kind of ruins the aesthetic. So being able to take it on and off at a moment's notice, that's a huge plus for me.
We rate our products 1 to 10. Build quality, 9. I was impressed with the brass inserts and painted screws. Style, 10. This plate holder looks like it belongs. Unique features, 9. They used a very unique system to lock it to the grille. Value, 10. This is a very sleek and extremely easy to install and remove plate holder. Thanks for watching. Now let's review. For more tech reviews, subscribe below. Please like, share, and comment any tech you'd like to see us review in the future.